What's up YouTube, welcome to my channel. This is Wendy from flightkicks.cz. Okay, today I got a Adidas NMD Holi Festival chalk coral colorway shoes. You can check this new style NMD human race. Yes, so colorful. And this shoes is very hard. So many customers ask me, so I got it. Yes, you can check the quality. Really very pretty. Okay, now let me show you guys the shoes. You can check here. Shoe box first. You can check. Yes, and the upper this material, fly knit material, really very soft. Yes, you can check. Also here, this one is HU and another one is Indian words. You can check the stitching. Close look for you guys. Pretty stitching, you can check. And the material here really soft by touch. Yes. Okay, and beside the shoes you can check the rubber material here, also very soft. Okay, another side you can check also. And the boost, you can check the boost. It's like a scale boost, different to other NMD boost. Yes, but it's really soft. Okay, now let me show you guys the shoes bag. You can check the shoes bag is different word here, Pharrell Williams and Adidas logo. Middle stitching, you can check, so good. Yes. And this shoes colorway, every shoes is different with the color here. You can check this purple and light green. The shoelaces, bright green color. Also have other actual one laces with orange color. And here is size label. Okay, now let me show you guys the shoes install. Check the install. Boost, inside boost, and the size label. Green color inside. Size label, so clear. Yes. Check the fly knit material here. Really soft. It's top quality. Yes. Okay, now let me show you guys the shoes box. HU in the middle and the size label beside the box. US size. Okay. Box inside, you can check one shoes paper with some Adidas logo. So if you like these shoes, you can go to my website flightkicks.cz to place your order. Also, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching my video. See you next video. Bye.